Vamos a Okay, the first step when we have the door like this is to remove or peel back this trim panel, so we can grab from one of the corners and pull just like that and lift it out of the way just enough so you have access to the screws. Second step is to unplug the mirror, pull out, and we'll take these 10 millimeters out. Have an assistant on the other side help you out. Hit this 3 10-millimeter screws. Hit that third one, and the mirror is gonna slide out just like that. All right, that's good. Now we're gonna install this one in reverse order. A ver, señor, let's do this one. So the next thing is we slide it in and we screw it from this side, and it's a wrap. So you drive them in just a little bit by hand, and then you hit it so you can make sure it's in the same spot. Hit the other one too. Perfect. Now we drive the third one by hand, so so we don't cross thread it when we tightening it up. All right, once you drive it by hand, hit it with the gun. All right, now we plug it in, put this trim back. Careful, my friend. All right, and just like that, you have successfully replaced your side view mirrors from the broken to the good one on a 2019 Chevy Malibu. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll keep these videos coming. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.